Hello, in today's video I am going to be restoring and decorating this old antique sewing box. As you can see, there's a lot of damage and discoloration, so I'm going to go ahead and sand that down with a sander. This was a very time-consuming job, but after it's done it's really easy to paint over. After I was done sanding, I added some glue to the wobbly legs and wiped everything down. I am going to be using Annie Salone's chalk paint and chalk paint wax. This paint was really easy to work with because it was easy to apply and it dried quickly, and as you can see it already looks good, and that's just one coat. I wanted it to be a solid colour, so I did 3 coats, and next I am moving on to the inside. I only did the edges because I'm going to decorate the inside, and for the top panels I really liked it the way it was, so I kept it. Finally, the paint was done and we are going to move on to the wax. I used this brush especially for wax, and the wax just gives it a nicer finish and protects the paint, and it feels nicer when you touch it. Now it's time to decorate. I'm going to be using this adhesive wallpaper and I really like the marble effect on it. This was definitely a tough job because I needed to measure everything out and make sure it looked nice, but in the end I was really happy with the result and it looked really clean. Here was before and here is the result after. I think it was an amazing transformation, and this will look really nice as a bedside table in my new bedroom.